Good morning. I'm back at Olympic National Park today. I will hike a small section of the Hoh River Trail as a day hike. I will hike 2.7 miles to Mineral Creek Falls. It's a beautiful waterfall and I hope you will enjoy coming along with me on this hike. The reason that I cannot do this as a backpacking trip right now is that I have severe back issues. I can't carry my backpack right now. I hope it will improve with time, that my back will heal up and that I can eventually hike a much longer section of this hike. So I apologize, this will only be a day hike. Like I said, 2.7 miles to Mineral Creek Falls, but I hope that you will enjoy coming along with me. Check out this gorgeous, gigantic tree. Wow. Amazing. So quiet in here. Look at the moss on the trees. Isn't it just the most beautiful sight? Every time I come here, I'm in awe of the beauty of this place. And with the sunlight coming through, it just looks enchanting. Wow. Here's a look onto the Hoh River. There's a little fall color right here. Real pretty. I'm getting closer to Mineral Creek Falls. Just breathtaking up here. So beautiful.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together.
It's a bit of a scramble to get up here because they don't really have a trail going to the falls, so you have to bushwhack here to get up here. Down this way, coming up. dogs right here.